lemon mascarpone pasta dish comes together in about half an hour. The time that it takes to boil the water and cook the pasta, dinner is done. You will need 8 ounces of dried pasta, half a cup of mascarpone cheese, or about 4 ounces, the zest and juice of 1 lemon, a handful or 2 of chopped hazelnuts, pistachios, or walnuts, a handful or 2 of chopped fresh herbs such as basil, parsley, chives, and or oregano. I like to use a combination. Freshly grated parmesan cheese, and any add-ins such as cherry tomatoes, sauteed mushrooms, green peas, diced and cooked pancetta or bacon, whatever you like. To start, put a large pot of water on to boil, and while the water heats, prepare your sauce. For the sauce, in a medium bowl, combine the mascarpone cheese, the lemon zest and juice. I like to zest the lemon right into the bowl as I go, and then season with salt and pepper and just whisk that all together. Once the water has reached a full boil, add about a teaspoon of salt, and then once it comes back to a boil, add your pasta. Cook the pasta to al dente according to package directions, and then drain. Be sure you reserve about half a cup of the cooking water from the pasta. This will help the sauce stick to the pasta and will loosen the sauce up if it's too thick. And then drain the pasta, return it to the pot, and then stir in your mascarpone lemon mixture, along with a few tablespoons of the pasta water. Divide the pasta between serving bowls, top with the fresh herbs and the nuts. Don't skip the nuts. They really elevate this dish to something special. And then add whatever extras you want and finish with freshly grated parmesan. For more cooking videos, visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.